Hey you guys, how are you today? It's Heather and I'm grungy. I just did upper fix, and while I was doing it, I thought about you guys and I wanted to make you a quick video. If you're getting this video, it's because you're one of the challengers in our group right now, and I just want to make sure you know, because this is like a really hard thing to get across, but you guys signed up for a 21-day challenge, and a 21-day challenge is great because it helps people to access the fitness routine. If you give them 21 days, almost anybody feels like, oh, I can do it for 21 days. If you tell people it's going to be a year, no one's going to try that. You're welcome to quit and do your own thing. I wouldn't suggest it, but my point that I'm trying to make is that you can do as many rounds with us as you like and stay in the group, as long as you stay on the program that we're on, you guys. And we want you to stay in the group because as you gain experience, you can help the new people coming in so much. And just to keep the energy up, keep that positivity up, and to be sharing your accountability and everything like that, you guys, and I know that you have, I think I probably have asked you, you guys have you should have 30-day goals, you should have 3 months, 6 months, year goals, and I want to tell you guys that you have to set gigantic goals to get you set a 10, you'll probably get an 8, you know what I mean? And so make big goals, guys, make goals that scare you, and stay with us, you know? I've gotten a lot of questions like, oh, I'm scared, I didn't get my goal, can I do it again? Yes, there is no end for you, okay? It does go in 30-day cycles, so just keep working. Just keep working through it, stay on our program, and keep up, because I value you guys in the group. You're amazing. This is the best group that I've ever seen so far. You guys are posting your accountability. You're in the group sharing with each other, really, really being funny, and that is the idea, and keeping it fun. And if any of you love Shakeology and you want to get a Shakeology discount of 25%, bring it just below $100. So normally you save about $16 to $20 depending on where you are and what your taxes are. It's a really, really good deal, and it just also holds you more accountable, because once you sign up as a coach, and look, you don't have to coach anybody, you don't have to do anything except for to enjoy the discount, but once you sign up as a coach, it really makes you feel part of our community, and our community, in case you haven't noticed, is a little bit bananas, super, super positive, and moving up into bigger and better things. So, sorry I'm rambling, I'm super annoying, but I was just thinking about you guys, and if you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. I always love talking to you. Have a great day, get your workout on, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.